Welcome back, guys. Good morning, and we are back. Here's another day, and we're continuing to do this car. As you know, that I actually had my friends to help me out. Thank God. And without them, I would not be able to do this whatsoever. I have no experience of how to install the engine onto the engine bay to this car, and it's been about 10 years now. No engine at all, and finally it's in. I could not be thankful enough, and I am so happy right now. Right now we still haven't got the transmission in. As you can see, it's not there, and today's task, that's what it's gonna be. That's what we're gonna do, right, boys? So I have Lenny and Ricky here, and they actually beat me here. They were here before I did. But yeah, so we're just doing the setup right now. Ricky's actually burning and getting ready for another barbecue. Oh man, the joke of the day, bro.
You needed it.
I needed this. The other day that we were working on a car and we couldn't find any bolts, so this is
You could put
storage.
flywheel bolts.
I know. Bolts,
Label it all.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate you, man.
240. It is 240. You were like, I saw the time and it was like 240. I was like, yeah, I think that'll work. No.
Oh, no, butterfly clip.
You heard some?
And then they...
Yeah.
I did.
There's no room on here, sorry.
Yankee old bolts right here with washers. Alright, it comes with washers too.
Yeah, it goes with water. It's a thick wash.
Alright. Put a top mount.
The top mount metaphor.
Oh, shut up.
You want top mount? Flip it over.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, you should disconnect it. 10 mil?
Yeah, hold on.
Woo! Just too big.
Pimpin'
Watch
ain't
your
easy,
watch
bro.
your brake lines.
Yeah,
Don't
no, I'm
force
looking
it.
at that too.
Hey, I'm gonna push the transmission up.
Oh, hi.
Is that easier?
Because
Oh, hold on.
get wine.
Hold on. There you go. Thank you, guys. Another cast coming in here. Pop out, Woody. All day, bro. Where you been? I mean, where you been? You were invincible, bro. You just. Oh my god, dude, that's crazy. That's crazy.
I was missing a few bolts, so.
Oh shit! Shut up. Dang, I needed your back, bro.
Oh, that's a good question.
So today we got a lot of things done, let alone the transmission and the engine. Putting back together is like that takes a lot of time too as well. So, and now we got all the little miscellaneous stuff, or what do you say, like tedious stuff, right? Yeah. Done. We, as you can see, there's all this notes right there. Thanks to the team, the crew here. Putting this back together is a lot of help, so I appreciate all of these guys, man. But we have couple missing parts, so little stuff.
Not even surprised that you got a big.
So
What's up, man? Amazon ain't working today?
no. Damn. Anyways, yeah, we're just gonna move on forward and get those parts in, and that's gonna be on me. And we have Alex here. He's gonna start reviewing the as far as the wiring goes, the power part of the car, the engine. We're almost pretty much done with the muscle stuff, right? You know, fuel tank. Yeah, gotta get those things done. Yeah, well, we'll find out
On the next episode of The Chronic.
the Chronicle, Dragon Chronicles. Chronicle, the Dragon Chronic. Well, you heard Woody. See you next time, guys. Like and
Subscribe.